In today's video, we'll be looking at long division. Now, as you can see here, it says that there are two methods provided. I'll be going through both the method that I was taught in school, as well as the method that they are currently teaching in primary schools. So, method one, the method I was taught in school. Let's use the example 125 divided by 5. So how I was taught is to set it up like this, with that weird brackety thing. And now another way of thinking about this is asking ourselves, how many times does 5 fit into 125? So the first thing is we look at how many times does 5 fit into 1? Well, 1's smaller than 5, so that doesn't work. So we look at how many times does 5 fit into 12? Now 5 fits into 12 twice, which we can see if we go through our times tables. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. So we know that 5 times 2 is 10. Do a little subtraction here. 12 minus 10 is 2. And then we drag down this 5. So now we're looking at how many times does 5 fit into 25. Now if you're not too strong on your times tables, you can keep writing them out here. Just adding on 5 as you go. And there's our answer. 5 fits into 25 5 times with a remainder of 0. So 125 divided by 5 is 25. Now let's have a look at the method they're starting to teach in primary schools. We'll use the same example just so you can see how it works, except we set it up slightly differently. So we're still looking at how many times 5 fits into 125, but we're using this box method. Now, once again, we look at how many times 5 fits into 1. Well, that's 0. Do a subtraction. It's 1. We drag this 1 up to the 2 to make 12. So, once again, you can start writing out your times tables. Now, 10 is going to be the closest number that is less than 12. So we will use 10. 5 fits into 12 2 times with a remainder of 2. Now this 2 gets brought up to that 5. We keep writing out our times tables. And there we have 25. So we put the 25 there, 5 fits into 25 5 times with a remainder of 0. So 125 divided by 5 is 25. I have some extra practice questions here. I'll be giving the solutions using both methods. Once again, I'd like you to pause the video and give these a go by yourself. If you get stuck or want the solution, unpause the video and come back.